Hey Forkers, do you want some super hearty, super dense pumpkin oat muffins? Come right back. Hey Forkers, so I've got this awesome, thick, dense oatmeal pumpkin recipe. Now if you check out my website, you're gonna notice that the recipe on there is slightly different. I've doubled it here because that one I make in an air fryer. I'm at our farm, we don't have an air fryer here, we're doing it in the oven. So the recipe is gonna be slightly different today. Also, I ran out of some of the ingredients, so I am improvising my butt off. That said, we're gonna make these things, they're gonna turn out great. Here we go. We're gonna start with 2.5 cups of rolled oats, half a cup of ground flax, half a cup of chopped nuts. Now normally I would use pecans, that's what I have on the website, but didn't have those today, so I went with half pistachios and half slivered almonds. You use whatever you want to use. Walnuts would also be great in this. Half a cup of dried cranberries. If you don't have cranberries, use something else. You want to soften some goji berries? Those would be good. Raisins are fine. Currants would work too. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of ground ginger. You're gonna mix all those dry ingredients together. Make sure the spices get tossed over everything nicely. On top of that, you wanna add 1/3 of a cup of molasses. If you can get the blackstrap molasses, that stuff's gold. I was a little shy of molasses, so I just put a little bit of maple syrup with it. I think it'll be fine. Next, you're gonna add in a cup of pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. You want pure pumpkin. That is all you're gonna put in for your liquid. Sounds crazy, right? Mix this stuff up. It is going to be sticky and pretty thick and dense. It's not gonna be your typical muffin mixture. It's gonna be more like a granola, mushy thing. It's totally okay. Put that into 12 muffin pans. You're gonna want something that's already greased or silicone, or if you have muffin cups, that's great. Do that. Push it down, pack that stuff right into the muffin tins. Put it in the convection oven or a regular oven for 350. If you are doing this in an air fryer, do it at 360 degrees. If this is an air fryer, you can bake it for 6 to 8 minutes and that'll probably be enough. In a typical normal oven, you want to go 10 to 12 minutes. Pull those guys out and let them cool on the counter. These muffins are delicious and dense and delightful. They're pretty thick, they're pretty hefty, they're a good snack between meals or after a workout or something like that. The pumpkin's great. The pumpkin helps promote weight loss because it's nutrient dense. If you like this recipe, you make any additions to it, you try different fruit, different nuts, different whatever, let us know. Send us photos. Leave messages in the comments. Tell us how you changed it. Tell us if you liked it. Where are you watching this from? Where do you bake from? Thanks everyone for checking out and supporting the former Fat Forker.